What is painting to you? Do you consider a painting only if it was made realistic? Or do you consider it as some relaxation act? Well, if you chose the second one, the painting will be always easy for you. You know why? Because now you don't have any limitations. Painting or drawing for me could be just a pattern, depends on my mood. Why not you, on your own, verify if a gouache painting is easy or not? Okay, quick, you have 7 seconds to grab your supplies. Oh, just kidding. Pause the video and get yours. It will be better if your paper is thick enough. Mine is 300 GSM cold pressed and I will use lots of water. Okay, I'll give you worst advice right now, but I promise it will work. I will quickly do the sketching things first. No, you don't have to have a red colored pencil, I just used for fun. The first thing you do is you draw a circle and draw the upper side of the lantern the way I am showing you. So easy, right? Now I'll draw some more lanterns far away in the night sky. Some are slightly visible. Drawing smaller lanterns to show they are far away. This is the dome's watercolor pencil I used. Now the worst advice. Start coloring this painting with black color. But before that, I'm pre-wetting the paper. If your paper is not thick enough, just skip this part, trust me. What I'll do is I won't let it dry. Instead of that, I'll start quickly coloring the background with black color. And this layer will be light. Tell me where you don't understand, any part you don't understand in the comment section. I will reply you through a comment. When I'm done with the first layer, I won't touch it until it gets dried totally. And how will you know that it is dried or not? Well, you will see the color gets lighter. If your eyes are still not catching it, then check it with your hand gently. I guess you will know it right away then. Now it's about the second layer. Taking a generous amount of violet color, dipping it into the water and spreading the color on the top of the first layer. When the second layer is done, again I will not touch it until it gets dry completely. To paint the lanterns, I'll take a thinner brush and I'm starting with the bigger lantern. I dip the brush into the water, then I take color. This is how I start painting. I'll cover the upper side with crimson red and gradually moving towards the other lanterns in the same way. I'm taking some mid yellow color and I am giving the color here. And then the lemon yellow color and giving right here. Blending it roughly then. The bottom side is like we can see the inner part of the lantern, so it will be somewhat dark. At least darker than the lemon yellow color, so I'll use yellow ochre. And then on the top of it somewhat orange and doing the border with orange color and filling the rest with lemon yellow color except this part. This is the fire. Do the same with others. And the fire is burning the dot here. If you see closely the lanterns, you can see these dots. Now to define the lanterns, I am coloring the edges with black color. Using white to show the fire. It is not must to do this part. And they're glowing, right? How can you show a glowing lantern? Use white like this. This is so simple. You can also use yellow if you want to. If you have used gouache, then you know that the white color is quite not opaque. It kind of fade away with color. So what I'll do is I will take white watercolor and then I'll take another thick brush, not wet at all. Then I spread the color on the brush like this, and then I'll use very little water like this so that it can sprinkle. And then this is how you paint the stars. How did your painting turn out? I would like to see them. I think you can do it better than mine. And you know, when you are practicing, no one is watching your painting, so keep experimenting. So, what is the truth for you? Wasn't it easy? If you don't have any masking tape, give a border with pencil and scale. Want to paint more of these gouache paintings? Then watch one of these painting videos. And this is Mousumi signing off. Bye bye.